a tail as big as a kite, said the little lamb to the shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear, ringing in the sky, shepherd boy? Do you hear what I hear? A song high above the trees, with a voice as big as the sea, with a voice as big as the sea. Said the shepherd boy to the mighty king, do you know what I know? In your palace born mighty king, do you know what I know? A child shivers in the cold. Let us bring him silver and gold. Let us bring